G'day, shipmates! Bit of a land-based activity today, shipmates. In fact, a very chilly, frosty land-based activity. Oh, hello. I've hardly started and already I might be in trouble with the law. Thought I'd venture outside bright and early, capture some lovely footage of these icy nuts here. Being quite a heavy frost here in Hampshire, the south coast of the UK. Temperatures dipped down to about a -4 centigrade last night. Having a little practice with my new camera. And I thought, let's get the drone up and see what else we could see. And then I heard a helicopter. Now, when I took my drone course to get my drone licence, the chap there said, you better take care of helicopters. You never know. And normally in the port of Southampton, it's a potential problem. Coast Guard, RNLI, various helicopters whizzing around. But normally when I'm in the land-based activities, helicopters aren't a problem. But this chap here, I think, is trying to find me. He's circling around me. He already knows the captain's up to no good with a drone somewhere. So I'm not quite sure what to do. I might just hide under this tree here. There we go. He can't see me now. As it got closer, I realised it was in fact the Hampshire and Isle of Wight air ambulance. Now, I thought at this point it was going to fly off into the distance, but no, it came around for another lap. In fact, landed right at my feet. Talking to the pilot, we had an exchange of facts and figures. His helicopter, run by the Hampshire and Isle of Wight air ambulance, costs £13,000 a day to run. He doesn't have any problems with this cold weather. The helicopter's rated for these sorts of temperatures, although if it does get a bit colder, they will keep it in a nice warm hangar. On board was the pilot, of course, the doctor, and a paramedic. It was about at this point where I thought to myself, he is going to come and land, so obviously I did the sensible thing and didn't fly the drone. Also, it started to generate quite a chilly downdraft, which was very noticeable. This helicopter was based in Andover, so that's about 45 minutes drive away from here. Obviously, the helicopter very quick. It's got a flight duration time of about an hour and a half, he says, but they very rarely run out of fuel in a day. In most places, they can access it very quickly. At this point I regretted not wearing my gloves. It certainly did generate a very chilly downdraft. Helicopter is equipped with all sorts of exciting things inside, lots of medical equipment and a flexible stretcher system which comes in and out. All the seats move around and lock into different locations. Really smart bit of kit. I can't imagine how much one of these would cost. I think it's probably a rather large step up from a drone, but I can see the appeal. I'd certainly get a much bigger camera on board, wouldn't I, shipmates? Talking to the pilot, he says they don't actually often transport people in a helicopter. It's more a case of getting a doctor and the paramedic and the specialty healthcare provisions that are on board straight to the patient in need. I didn't ask any questions about quite what they were doing. I was more interested in the rotary winged aircraft. Well, hope you enjoyed that one today, shipmates. Rather unusual. Pretty sure it's the first time I've been bombarded by a helicopter while out minding my own business. Quite exciting. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. Until next time.